welcome to today's video. I am getting ready for the day, so I just woke up. I went ahead and I just did my makeup and my hair and got dressed, and I am so excited because we're gonna go on a really nice walk today because it is so nice outside. We've been in freezing temperatures, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, and it's slowly starting to rise. So today it's going to be over 60 degrees outside, which may not sound very warm to some of you guys, but when you are used to freezing temperatures, 60 degrees sounds like summer. So we're gonna go on a walk. I called my friend Katie. She is, I think, 9 months pregnant. I want to say 4 weeks until maybe 2 weeks until she gives birth. And then I have another one of my friends in the hospital right now being induced to have her baby. So there are going to be babies popping up everywhere, and I told her that I wanted to go with her on a walk. It's nice to get some exercise and just take her kids out of the house and enjoy this nice day so I can catch up with her before her little newborn is here, and then she is going to be consumed taking care of her little baby. So right now I'm always super thirsty, so I fill up this huge water bottle or tumbler of water, fill it up with ice, then it helps me get through the day. And I'm just taking my vitamins right now. Before I forget, I also have to take my iron. I ran out of vitamins. So the cool thing is that these are prescribed, so when I run out, I already have a backup, so I don't have to remember to go to the store and pick them up, which is nice. And then I also have to take an iron supplement, so let me just do that really quick. So I went to Target yesterday and I picked up some things for Benji's Easter basket, which I'm so excited. This is his first Easter. And look what I found. A lot of you guys sent me this over on Instagram. You guys were like, these are at Target, you have to pick them up. You guys know I'm a Disney fanatic, so I definitely went to pick these up. These are Pooh Bear graphics and they're so pretty. I think it's not really showing up on camera. Look how pretty this is. These are so sweet. So I picked that up. I picked up a bag of candy, which apparently Ricardo already got into for the kids. And let me show you the baskets that I have prepared for the kids. So let me show you. I got these made on Etsy. I'll have those linked down below, but these right here are little covers that you can have customized. And so I got one for my nephew, for Benji, which I wish I would have picked a darker font, but I was looking at some of these suggestions or some of the customer reviews, and someone had something similar to this and I fell in love with it, but I think I picked the wrong color for the name or for the font, and I wish I would have just asked the girl, whatever this is, can you just do the same thing? But instead I just picked a color from the options. But then we also have this one right here for Camila, and it's so pretty. I love these so much. So it's my niece and my nephew and then Benji. These are so cute. Oh my god, I love them. And they were really inexpensive. They were only $15, which in my opinion, I think that's pretty awesome for something that's customized. And I picked up the baskets at Target. They were, I want to say $10 or so. Yeah, $9. And they fit perfectly. They're not too big, they're not too small. They're perfect for little presents. So I think they're great and they're so cute. We have all the kiddos. Benji's in here. Hi, baby. Say hi. We have all the moms. We got Sandy with her little baby. Look at that belly. How many weeks are you?
I'm 34 now.
34 weeks? Oh my goodness. We got little Eli in there. We got all the kiddos. And Anais and Katie. Let's see that belly. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I am home now, and man, I worked up an appetite. I am so hungry now. So I'm just making myself some lunch. I had such a great time. It was perfect because by the time that we came back, it was Benji's time to take a nap. So hopefully he takes a good nap, since he usually does after his walks. But it was so nice. It was nicer than I thought. It was actually 68 degrees outside instead of 60, which is amazing. But I worked up an appetite and I'm so hungry. So I need to eat. What am I looking for? I'm munching on Doritos over here. And I shouldn't be, but it's just so good. I have Benji here on the monitor, but look at these tortillas. These are so good. They're somewhat cooked. They're halfway cooked, so that way they're a little bit more fresh when you cook them. And I'm just putting them here on the same pan. And look how beautiful this is organized. It took me a weekend to put all this together, from ordering it to clearing everything out. But my spice cabinet looked so horrible that I couldn't cook without being stressed out. And so I went ahead and I bought this from Amazon, and I bought the labels separately because it came with black labels, and of course I want it to look a specific way, so I got white labels separately. But even this, I went ahead and I made sure to organize, and now I can see everything. So I eat chile de árbol with my eggs. So Gotta just put a couple of them, and I warm them up. Ooh, in here. So it is just the same pan that had the eggs. I made myself some eggs, and I'm just warming up tortilla in the same pan, and then warming these up. So good. Alright, so here's my lunch. We have weenies with eggs and spinach, chile de árbol, some avocado, and some flour tortillas. So good. The hair's up. I'm tired. Yeah, I've been playing with Benji. What are you doing? Let's see you jumpy. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. He's so cute. We try to keep the house warm because he has his helmet on to correct his flat spot on his head that he was born with. He's wearing it, and so that is trapping a lot of heat like around his head. And so they told me that I should keep him barefoot and with a onesie on so he doesn't get too hot. Yes! Cutie baby. And he's already reached the bottom of that. He's just so tall. He went through a crazy growth spurt, and he is in the 97th percentile of height. So he is one long baby. I want to show you guys a bump shot. The baby's in there, and I am 17 weeks. Yeah, so I'm just gonna clean the kitchen really quick. Let's do a little time lapse. Hi, dear. He just took off his helmet right now. You just took it off. Is that what you have right on your forehead? Yeah? Oh, my baby. Oh, that cute baby. Oh, that cute baby. Oh, that cute baby. Come here, baby. Thank you. Look, goodness. Oh, that cute baby. Yes, that's you. Oh, that cute baby. Ready for a bath? Let's go give the baby a bath. It's a few days later, and I wanted to share with you guys our kitchen, just like a sneak peek of what I've been doing lately, because I am just so over having clutter in the house. I feel like when you have so many things in the house, it creates so much of a mess that it's hard to keep up with. And I feel the same way about our kitchen. I just felt like a lot of things were cluttering our space where I didn't feel motivated to cook. If you guys know me already, I don't enjoy cooking. It's something that I have to do. And so with it being cluttered with a bunch of boxes and different things, I never knew what we had, and I stopped cooking as much, and we started eating out a little bit more. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to declutter my pantry, organize my spice rack, and I shared it all with you guys in videos that I recently filmed and I have uploaded on my channel. Like, I showed you guys how I did everything and the whole decluttering process, which was insane, but it looks so good now. And I'm working on our pantry now, which I still have to finish, but I got started on, and I just want to show you guys. So you've already seen this, but oh my goodness, this looks so good. I love how it turned out. I still have to label this one right here, and I have more spices. I'm ordering more of these tubs or these containers from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below. It's all on my Amazon storefront, so if you guys click in the description box, it'll all be there. And then you guys already know our refrigerator has been organized, and it has stayed organized. Like, everything looks really good. And then over here is just like miscellaneous items, which are still really good, but even though this kind of looks messy, it's still in there. You know, like, we have leftovers. I have like the snacks and baby items and our dairy products. I went in full detail all about this, but yeah, it's still looking good. Ricardo knows where to put everything away, which is nice. And now I am working on our pantry, which, oh my goodness, it looks so much better. And I'm transferring things into these containers, and I am just so in love. Doesn't that just look so aesthetically pleasing? Like, it looks so good. Once again, I found these labels on Amazon along with the containers, so I have those there. And then our pantry is also looking good. I still have more progress that I need to do because we have this down here that I need to organize better and just get into like bottles, and I plan to put some of this stuff somewhere else. But aside from that, this is looking so good, especially this right over here. Oh my goodness, I just love how it looks. I need a better system for this right here, because currently these are all the things that I use for breastfeeding, like lactation cookies and lactation bars. And then up here we have chips, but I need to organize this better because I feel like it just looks a little sloppy. But this right here looks really good. I've also been doing a lot of decorating around the house and just cleaning up, and I don't know if it's because the weather is starting to warm up and so I'm doing spring cleaning or if I'm just like in this nesting mode. But look how pretty this came out. I love how this turned out. It just looks so nice. We got our pictures. I just wanted portrait pictures and I also wanted to do a photo shoot to announce our pregnancy, which I'm so excited about. But look how cute little baby Benji is. Oh my goodness. And I had to frame those here and I just love how they turned out. And then I've also been decorating our entertainment center. I have Rugrats on right now just because it brings me back to my childhood memories when Benji was down here playing. He's taking a nap right now, but over here we have Benji's ultrasound pictures. This is when he was, I want to say like 5 weeks in the womb, and then this is when I believe he's like 20 something weeks. That was my 20-week ultrasound, and then I went ahead and I edited it so it could have more contrast, and then I framed those together so I can get rid of all the lettering that was around there. So I scanned those and then I edited the pictures so it could show really clear. And then I just put up like this vase over here, and then I have Benji and his daddy. I swear that's his twin. And then Ricardo just popped this guy over here. He's totally into Super Smash Brothers, can you tell? And then we have Ricardo's family. I also framed this picture from our photo shoot, another vase, and this one is from Target. My mama and I love these books. I have to get the new baby's name on here once he or she arrives. I almost gave away the gender. And then I just have like my niece and nephew. They're so beautiful right there. And then this is from our wedding. We have the jarras and the lasso over here. Did I say that right? Jarras? I hope I'm saying it right, but there it is. So I just went ahead and did that. I cleaned up Benji's toys while he's taking a nap. It just makes me feel like we have our house clean. I missed one over here. Let me see. Here we go. And then pick up the pants. Okay, I didn't get a chance to say goodbye to you guys, so that's why I just want to pop in and give you guys an update of what's going on. But that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys nech time. Muchos besos. Mwah.